How's it going, everyone? I'm Spencer Israel here with Joel Elconin, co-host of Benzinga's Pre-Market Prep. We are hosting a Bitcoin special, the Pre-Market Prep Bitcoin special, on December 19th, which is a couple weeks from now. So ahead of that special, Joel, I want to get you on camera and talk to you a little bit about Bitcoin and overall the state of the cryptocurrency market. So first off, real briefly, what do you think of the year that the cryptos have had?
Unbelievable. Up another 10% today, cleared 13,000, 12,750 is the current price. It's an interesting dynamic that's going on, and I think the big question, and which we're going to try and answer on our broadcast, is it going to be a new asset class, cryptocurrencies? Is it really going to find its place on Wall Street?
So, are you, to be clear, are you bullish or are you bearish the cryptos or Bitcoin specifically?
I think for the years in the market, the trend is your friend.
Okay.
The trend is certainly up in Bitcoin and has been that way for quite some time. What a little bit alarming is just the way it rips through these $1,000 levels, and
Right.
we could do more of a historical price perspective on it. It took a long time to go from 0 to 1,000, etc. These moves from 10,000 to 11,000 in less than a day, and from 12,000 to 13,000. I mean, call it parabolic, call it what you want, but if there's going to be a turn, in these cryptocurrencies, it'll be predicated on technical analysis. I'm a true believer of that.
So then what do you think are the biggest potential catalysts on the upside or downside then? Like what are the biggest questions for you?
The biggest question really for me is the fair price of it, because you really can't fundamentally value yet.
There's no framework.
There's no framework. That's what keeps stodgy fundamental investors like me out of it. With a large portion of my portfolio, I figured I had to nibble on it during the show, for the broadcast. And when I bought it at just under 7,000, I had no idea that I was ready to write it off as a loss here,
Right.
At 13,000. So there's some interesting dynamics coming up. And right now it's a buy-only market pretty much.
Right.
It's very hard to short. There's a limited supply, 24-hour market. I'm really looking forward to the futures coming online because you're going to have institutions and hedge funds that previously couldn't participate in the markets because of custodial accounts.
Exactly.
So you're going to have it on different exchanges. You're going to have opportunities to short it much easier. I have some concerns regarding the futures market trading too, but that's something that we're going to discuss.
Hold your thought on that. We will get to all those questions. Like I said at the top, our pre-market prep Bitcoin special, December 19th. Don't take our word for it. We've got academics, we've got traders, we've got market structure experts who are going to break the whole thing down for us, what the future holds for the entire crypto market. That'll be December 19th. 8 to 9 a.m. Eastern Time at premarket.benzinga.com. And until then, tune into our morning show every day, Pre-Market Prep. He's Joel Elconin, he's the co-host. I'm Spencer Israel, I'm the producer. Have a good one.